Hi guys, welcome to the 4th episode of my mini series on how to make super delicious and healthy smoothies. Today I'm making mango, banana and green smoothies, one of my favorites. Right here we've got some coconut milk, some ginger, mango, spinach, and I've got some mini bananas. Bananas are a really good source of potassium, fiber and vitamin C. So let's get started. Spinach contains a good intake of iron, so while spinach won't probably make you super strong at the minute you eat it as it did for Popeye, it will promote your health and vitality in many other ways. Mangoes contain over 20 different vitamins and minerals, helping to make them a superfood. Mangoes provide a good amount of your daily vitamin C, A and fiber. Also, mango helps with weight loss and digestion and cleansing of the skin. Potassium in the banana protects against muscle cramps. Bananas could help you to feel happier as they are a natural source of tryptophan. Once you've prepared all your fruit and vegetables, we're just going to blend them together. We're going to start off with our mango. We're going to place it in our blender. And we're going to add bananas. Then I'm also going to add my coconut milk. And we're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add my spinach and ginger. Again, ginger is really good for your immune system, so make sure you try and include it every day. When everything is nice and smooth, I'm going to add just half a cup of ice cubes. You don't have to add it, but I like this smoothie cold texture. And here it is, my beautiful mango banana smoothie. Let's give this a try. That is so delicious. I can really taste the creamy texture from coconuts and bananas. One of my favorites. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave the comments below if you've tried this or if you added any other ingredients. Thank you so much for watching me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!